So guys, here is the truth. All these days, in my videos, believe it or not, I've been using this laptop. Yes, a laptop for gaming, and I've never been able to play AAA games. I'm being honest, I run Roblox on medium to low graphics, and Doors, even worse. So here's where the title of this video comes in. You see, I've always been interested in tech and electronics, or in short, widely learnt about electronics. So I've always had a desire to do this one particular project, and that's, you're right, a PC. And not just any PC, a good and decently powerful one. That achieves a decent amount of FPS in almost all games on max settings, including AAA titles. So here's the thing. I built a PC, but not only for gaming, but also for gaming.
Yeah, boy.
So after the build, this is how the PC finally looked. So guys, I didn't start using it yet, because I don't have a keyboard and monitor, and I haven't even installed Windows yet. These pics are shown when the PC is simply on. But I'll soon switch.
Yeah, boy.
So you guys can see max graphics and relax your eyes in every video.
Yeah, boy.
See you soon and stay tuned.
Yeah, boy.